In this Knorish tutorial, we show you how to create a course. In the Publisher dashboard, once you click on Courses, click on New Course, enter course name in the dialog box. Under Add Content, once you click on Add Unit from here, write down the name of the unit. Once done, click on Unit 1, click on Add a Content, write down the name of the first lesson and click on the plus sign. Similarly, you can write down the names of all the lessons you need. Once the lesson names have been added, click on the first lesson and then Add Content. In the Add Content page, click on Embed and paste the link of the YouTube or Vimeo video that you would like to embed. Similarly, you can embed presentations as well. Just paste the link and click Submit Embed. Next up is presentation slides. Just click on Presentation and choose File and Upload. Let us know if you have any more questions. And thank you for watching.